Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I am going to solve some of the problems that I faced in the update.go file and in the add.go file. So the problem that I faced, the first problem is present in the update.go file. So let me just show you. If I open the select from profiles, this profile table, you will see that this profile table does not exist. And similarly, if I open the sign up table for you, like this, you will see that this sign up table contains some kind of data. This is the Vainstreet account data. So this is the full name and this is the account name that needs to be updated. But the problem is that although the profile table is not present, but if I want to update the full name and the account name, then it will give me an error that you need to first of all create the profile table. Although the profile table has nothing to do with this full name and the account name, because this full name and account name is present in the sign up table. So although the profile table has nothing to do with the sign up table, but it will still give me an error that you need to first of all create the profile table, and then we will allow you to update the full name and the account name that is present in the sign up table. So if I show you, let me just write proctl update, and if I type full name, F for the full name, and if I write, let's say what you can say, my name, all right, you will see that it is giving me an error that the profile table does not exist. Although this full name has nothing to do with the profile table, but it is still giving me an error. So what I need to do, I need to separate the user data or the user information from the profile information. So how can I do this? So basically I will take this if statement that is relevant to the user information. So I will copy this and remove it from here. And once it is removed, what I will do, I will make another if statement like this. And inside this if statement, what I will write, all the data that I have copied. All right. So the condition for the if statement will be these two. All right. So yeah, let's copy this because these two conditions are relevant to the user information. So paste it here. This is the full name. This is the account name. So this information or this condition is relevant to the user information. And these conditions are relevant, like the title or the phone number and the location, working status. These information are relevant to the profile information. All right. After that, let's put the else statement here like this. And once it is done, what I will write, I will copy this success message that if the user is updated or the profile is updated. So I will put the condition here, like here at the end. All right. So this is the one print statement that I have put it here instead of writing it here multiple times, here like here or here. So I have put it just one time. So it will work fine if I have separated them. So after that, let's write go install, and yeah, let's install it and clear this. And this time if I type proctl update, and after that if I write what you can say, full name, my name, you will see that your profile data is successfully updated. Now it has nothing to do with the profile table. As you can see here, this is the what you can say, full name, hello world. But if I refresh this for you, you will see that this is now my name, although the profile table is not present. So if I open this for you, profile table, you will see, you will see that profile table does not exist. Select all from profiles, select from profiles. I have spelled it like this. All right. So the profile table does not exist. So this was the error and it is now resolved. All right. So basically now the problem is that let me just show you the problem, and after that I will recover this. So yeah, give the else statement here also. All right. These are the if statement. This is the if statement and this is the if statement, and this is the else statement that is relevant to the profile information, and this is the else statement that is relevant to the user information. All right. And both of the else statements are the same. So if I install this again for you, go install. Now what you will see, if I type it again, proctl update, what you can say, full name, this time let's say update the account name. So I will write Vains. All right. So now you can see that it is giving me the message that the profile data is successfully updated. If I show you, As you can see here that this is the data that is updated here, but it is also giving me the error that the give the flags to update the profile information. So basically this else statement is giving from here. All right, although I have given the profile flags, although I have given the user flags from here, but I have not given the profile flags. So that's why it is giving me the error that you need to give the profile data also in order to update the profile, and you also need to give the user information also in order to update the user. But I have only given the user information, I have not given the profile information. That's why it is giving me the error. So yeah, so how can I tackle this? So basically I will remove this else statement from here, and I will remove the else statement from here also. And what I will do, I will make this else statement just once. Alright, so I will write this else statement just one. So how can I do this? So first of all, the first thing that I need to do is to first of all, let's write like this else statement, because I need to copy it and I will remove it. So yeah, first of all, what I will write, let's copy this, and after copying it, let's remove it and write update profile like this, and make it equal to all the conditions that are written here. All right, and after that, let's write the update profile here. It will be equal to the update profile, and all the conditions are written are equal to just one variable. And similarly, I will copy these two conditions and I will remove them, and after that I will make it equal to update user. All right, update user. So these two conditions are equal to the update user variable, so I will put it here, update user. And now once it is done, what I will write, I will copy this else statement. After that I will remove them, I will remove it, and once it is removed, what I will do, I will write another if statement like this, if not update profile and not update user, like this. All right, so let's write the curly braces here at the end. So now what it will do, I will write the print statement that I have copied it earlier, and after that I will write the else statement like this. All right, so now it will work fine for me. Maybe, yeah, I need to give the curly braces here also, so this will work fine like this. All right, so basically what I have put the condition is there, if the profile data is not present, and similarly if the user data is also not present, then it will give me this error that give the flags to update the profile information. So in this way I have put the else statement just one time instead of writing multiple times. So this is the thing that you need to keep in mind, and once this condition is fulfilled, then it will give me this error. But if, let's say, if the user has entered the profile information or the user has given the user information, then in any of the information it will update these, it will work on these functionalities. All right, so yeah, let me just install it for you. proctl update, let's write full name. Now the full name would be, let's say, what you can say, Bilal Khan. All right, Bilal Khan. So now you can see that the profile data is successfully updated, but this time it is not giving me the flag error. Why? Because I have put the flag error in one time instead of writing multiple times, and these two conditions are fulfilled, and that's why it is not giving me the error. All right, so this is the problem that I have solved it also. So if I show you, as you can see, there's the Bilal Khan, but the profile table it has nothing to do with this full name, so that's why it has not given me this error. All right, so now this problem is solved. After that, what I need to do, I need to go to the add.go file, because this is also the problem that I have faced. So the problem was that if I show you the profile table, let me just try profile. As you can see here that the profile table does not exist. So to make the profile table exist, what I will do, I will first of all add it, and then I will update it. All right, so let's write proctl add, and then the title, let's say title 1. Now the profile data is successfully inserted. If I show you, you will see that the profile table is created, and inside it the title is present here. All right, after that, what I need to do, I will write the proctl update command in order to update the title or the full number that I want to. But let's say if I write proctl update command again, sorry, add command again, and type the title title 2, it will give me an error that your profile data is already inserted, so you need to type the proctl update command and with the flags in order to update it. But it is also showing me this information that your profile data is successfully inserted. Why? So if I show you, as you can see here, that the title 1 was previously present, so it is still present, title 1, but it is giving me the message that your profile data is successfully inserted. So although the profile data or the title 2 is not updated, but it is still giving me an error that your profile data is successfully inserted, although it is not inserted. So I need to remove this message in order to make it work. So I just want to make this message appear instead of appearing these two messages. So how can I do this? So let's clear this first of all. And the problem that I need to resolve is that, first of all, go to the insert.go file, and inside this file I will copy this profile font functionality and paste it here. And inside this I will write the account value, sorry, account email, like this, and this function is present inside the MySQL file. All right, so now what I will write the AND statement, and inside this, after that AND statement, I will write if the what you can see profile is not found. All right, so let me just write the braces here, so brackets here. So basically what it does is that it is showing that if all of the conditions are met, and similarly if the profile is not found, if the profile or if the data inside this profile is not found, then it will allow the data to be executed and it will show me this message. But let's say if the profile is found, then it will give me an error that you need to give the flags in order to insert the profile information. What I will do, I will write the else statement here also, else profile, else if, like this. Now the profile is found, profile found, like this. All right, I will copy this message also, like this. All right, so now this problem is tackled. So basically what it does is that if the profile is not found, all right, if the profile is not found, that then it will be able to execute this command. But if the profile is found, if the data is present inside this profile, then it will give me an error that your profile data is already inserted, so you need to type the update command in order to update it. All right, so this is how it will work. So let's write go install proctl add, and this time if I type title 2, you will see that it is giving me only the error that the profile data is already inserted. Type proctl update command. This time it is not giving me this message that your profile data is successfully inserted, because I have put the conditions here that if the profile data is found, if the profile data is already present inside this table, then it will then it will give me this error. All right, but if the profile data is not found, if this table is not present, then it will execute this functionality. All right, so yeah, this is how it will work. So now all the problems are tackled. So what I will do, I will write git status, and these two files are modified, so I will write git add, and after that let's write git commit, and once they are done, I will write what you can say, so resolved the problems in update.go file and add.go file. All right, so now they are done. After that I will write git status. You can see that this is a tree is clean. So let's write git push origin master. So now they are done. Let's refresh this page. 25 commits are added. All right, so yeah, resolved the problems in update.go file and add.go file. So yeah, this is how it will work. So I hope you like this video, and if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.